रूल्स मेरे को क्या बोलना है? रूल नंबर 2. चलो यार.
So today we'll be doing something a little chaotic but very fun.
We'll be styling each other entirely using Pinterest Inspo.
And the plot twist, we can only shop from Lafetch.
Yup, that one app that actually gets Gen Z fashion and delivers quick. I'm so excited.
And also, do you remember in the last video we asked strangers to pick outfits for us?
Of course, that's how I got the idea for doing a styling video with you.
So watch till the end to see who styles better. So let's set some ground rules for this challenge. You have to get everything from Lafetch.
I better end up looking great by the end of this, Sancha.
So let's talk about what I actually like. Let's check out the Pinterest. The minimal jewelry, I just love it. You know, it's so light and elegant. I also love flare pants. They just suit me so well. And warm tones, they're just my favorite. You know, the caramel, rusted color, brown, beige, my color for sure. And those cute little purses, they are just in trend right now. I just love it.
Let's talk about my fashion preference. Starting off with some loafers. Definitely love them. Styling up with those resort wear outfits. That is something my vibe. And then sneakers. Totally obsessed with them. Pairing up with some watches, classic watches, accessorizing them with some rings, silver chains. That is something which makes it more aesthetic with my outfits. Sunglasses, cargo pants. I wear it every single day. Don't judge me, but I'm into graphic tees. Totally love them, and even cartoon tees as well.
Let's see what Lafetch has for menswear. Oh, wait. Do you know they have this LF Quick section where they deliver fashion in just 60 minutes in Delhi NCR? That's just insane. So let's hop on to my favorite category, which is streetwear. Oh, they have got really good collection. I like this t-shirt. These pants are so cool. They look so comfy. So I've decided what I'll order for Gopal. And I'm not gonna tell you guys. It's a big surprise and you have to be a little patient.
So now I'll check the Lafetch app and see what I can find for Sancha. Okay, so the waistcoats, which I can definitely go ahead with. Maybe this one, that'll be like too formal. I think I should choose something casual. On Lafetch, there's so many premium homegrown brands to choose from. There's so many new brands, upcoming brands. Okay, so I've finally selected something for Sancha. I won't reveal it right now. That's a surprise. So let's see how it looks.
Oh my god, Gopal, you look so great. You have cleaned up very well.
And these pants, super comfy. Honestly, you look absolutely stunning in this waistcoat.
Thank you. And the surprising part is, he has got me this bubble skirt as well, which is literally a cherry on top. It's a perfect quad set.
And she has finally surprised me with the Garfield tee.
I know, I have a great choice. So what are you waiting for? Download the app now and find these fits on Lafetch. And that's our wrap on our Pinterest Fit Challenge.
If you liked our fits, you already know. Everything's on Lafetch.
Lafetch.
So go download the app now and let your bestie style you next.
And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for everything fashion.
See you next time.
is on मैं ही भूल जाती हूँ मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ.
That's a wrap on a Pinterest Fit Challenge.
So if you... चलो यार.
दिख रहा है?